Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use role-playing prompts to get better results from Claude and improve the quality of its responses. If you've ever used Claude and felt that the answers were too generic, too broad, or not focused enough on your specific needs, role-playing prompts can make a huge difference. This is one of the simplest prompt engineering techniques, but it's also one of the most effective. So what is a role-playing prompt? A role-playing prompt is when you tell Claude to act as a specific type of person, expert, or professional before giving it a task. Instead of simply asking a question, you first assign Claude a role. This helps the AI understand the perspective, expertise, tone, and style you want it to use when generating its response. For example, instead of typing, "Explain how to start a business," you could write, "Act as an experienced business consultant. Explain how a beginner can start a small business with a limited budget." The second prompt gives Claude much more context, which usually leads to a more detailed and useful answer. Role-playing works because Claude adjusts its response based on the role you provide. It can focus on the priorities, knowledge, and communication style associated with that role. Here are a few examples. For writing, act as a professional editor and improve the clarity of this article. For programming, act as a senior Python developer and review this code for bugs and performance issues. For education, act as a patient high school teacher and explain photosynthesis in simple terms. Notice how each prompt tells Claude exactly what type of expertise to use. You can make role-playing prompts even more powerful by adding extra details. Include information about the audience, goals, format, and tone you want. For example, act as an experienced career coach. Help a recent college graduate prepare for a job interview. Use simple language and provide step-by-step advice. This gives Claude clear instructions about who it is, who it's helping, and how the information should be presented. One mistake people make is choosing roles that are too vague. Instead of saying, "act as an expert," be more specific. Tell Claude exactly what kind of expert you want it to be. The more relevant the role is to your task, the better the output usually becomes. You can also experiment with different roles for the same question. Asking Claude to respond as a teacher, consultant, manager, journalist, or software engineer can produce very different answers even when the topic stays the same. A simple role-playing prompt template you can use is act as a blank role, help me blank, the audience is blank, use a blank tone, and provide the answer in blank format. This template works well for writing, coding, business, education, research, and many other tasks. By giving Claude a clear role, you're providing additional context that helps it generate more focused, relevant, and useful responses. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.